The stomach of a ruminant is a single stomach modified by marked expansion of the esophageal region into three distinct and voluminous diverticula: the rumen, the reticulum, and the omasum. The distal fourth compartment is called the abomasum. The first three compartments are collectively known as the forestomach or the proventriculus. These are lined with non-glandular stratified squamous epithelium. Because of their functional and anatomic relatedness, the reticulum and rumen are often collectively called the rumino-reticulum. They communicate and are divided ventrally by a thick muscular U-shaped rumino-reticular fold. The first compartment, the rumen, is the largest of the four compartments, filling most of the abdomen's left half. It is divided into dorsal and ventral sacs by the right and left longitudinal grooves and the cranial and caudal grooves. The rumen is a fermentation vat for microorganisms to break down cellulose into metabolizable components. The interior of the rumen has many papillae. These are peg-like mucosal projections which give its surface a pile rug appearance. The most ventral parts of its sacs contain numerous feathery papillae up to 1 centimeter long, although papillae are almost entirely absent on the dorsal part of the rumen. The interior of the rumen also contains pillars, which represent the exterior grooves. We can see here the cranial pillar, the caudal pillar, and the right longitudinal pillar. Another notable part of the ruminant stomach is the gastric groove, or the reticular groove. In nursing ruminants, this groove turns into a closed tube that connects the cardia with the omasum, so the milk bypasses the rumino-reticulum and is instead delivered to the more distal parts of the stomach. This ensures that the milk will not sour in the forestomach. The second compartment, the reticulum, is a smaller compartment compared to the rumen. It lies cranial to the rumen under cover of the 6 to 8 ribs and mainly to the left of the median plane. The interior of the reticulum has a honeycomb appearance due to its intersecting mucosal crests. The third compartment is the omasum. It lies within the intrathoracic part of the abdomen to the right of the midline, between the rumen and reticulum to the left, and the liver and body wall to the right. The omasum is a spherical organ filled with muscular laminae that lie in sheets much like the pages of a book, giving the omasum its colloquial name, book stomach. The stratified squamous mucous membrane covering the laminae of the omasum is studded with short blunt papillae. The fourth compartment is the abomasum. It is referred to as the true stomach and is the first glandular portion of the ruminant digestive system. Its proximal portion is ventral to the omasum, and its body extends caudad on the right side of the rumen. The epithelium of the abomasum consists primarily of two glandular regions equivalent to the fundic gland region, or the region of the proper gastric glands, and the pyloric gland region. The abomasum is lined by a pink slime-covered glandular mucosa that is in striking contrast to the harsh lining of the forestomach. The pylorus demarcates the muscular junction of the stomach and small intestine, and like the porcine pylorus, it features an enlarged torus pyloricus. As a non-ruminant stomach, the abomasum has gastric folds or rugae that provide elasticity by allowing the stomach to expand. Also, the abomasum functions similarly to the non-ruminant stomach, as it is glandular and digests food chemically rather than mechanically or by fermentation like the other three chambers of the ruminant stomach.